Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, now we're gonna go ahead and clean with this sander. We're gonna clean where the bolts actually go in. So this is the motor frame. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it down because, as you can see, extremely dirty. All right. So you're gonna see how we do that with the sander here. And just like so, as you can see the difference, we got one on the left here completely clean, one on the right is completely dirty. So you want to go ahead and do that to all of them before we put on our new bolts. Like so. Alrighty, so I got 3 done. I'm going to take care of the last one here. Alright, so this is exactly how we want it, guys. We want it nice and clean. So if you take a look, clean, ready to be bolted on, and that's our metal frame, just like so. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of the rest of the remaining ones. So like I said, this is the aftermath when it's once and clean, and this is the before. So we do that for every single fixture here. So if you take a look at our motor inside, it's completely empty. There's nothing in there. And now, see, these are the parts. This is our Mayfields, where the Mayfields go, and those where the Interpols go, where the longer version part. So what we want to do is we clean the head of where the bolt is, so when we screw in a new one, there's no rough ridges, you know, there's nothing in between. And then since we have an empty motor here, we clean out all the inside. So but what we do is we take care of where the screw goes. We clean exactly that, so when the new bolt goes in there, they can fill it with silicone. So once there's a new bolt here, they fill it with silicone and it's brand new. So we're going to take care of the remaining ones, as you can see, and then yeah, we'll move on to the next step, guys. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to go ahead and rotate the motor and show you the aftermath of the clean motor frame, where the bolts get put. So as you can see, nice and clean, all the connections. So nice and clean, motor is just rotating. So all these connections are nice and clean, ready for our bolt to go on. So afterwards the silicone can fill in and be covered. So that's exactly how you want the motor, guys.